Hey everybody, it's Rock Solid Heating again today. I'm going to go over a few things with the air conditioner. We made it through a really cold winter and you think we're out of the woods, but we're really not. Your AC and heating system in Wisconsin just doesn't stop. In fact, I was told by an old farmer one day that Wisconsin has the best average temperature ever. We just never see it here in Wisconsin because the only way to get average is extreme high and extreme low. I think that's what we experience now. It's only May and it's quite cold still. So let's get over here and explain some of your air conditioning needs. Filters, everybody, is the single most important thing that I stress over and over, and here at the team, when you call, we'll ask if you change your filters, if you change your batteries. And the reason for that is it's the #1 defense against anything heating or cooling to protect your system. And it's a really simple fix for most customers. Simple slide in, take a look at it, simple slide it out, take a look at it, see if it's dirty or clean. What it does is it protects the blower motor, which is the next line. This blower motor blows the heat throughout your house as well as the cooling system. It pulls the heat out of your house. We'll go over that later. But for now, blower is the next thing in line. From there, it goes through your furnace. Above that is your A coil, and after that is this is where the removal of the heat from your house happens. Is it removes it from here and the humidity. That's why it drains water. And then we have the outdoor unit right here, and this is what takes the warm air from inside your house and releases it outside. So we're going to start back over here. We have a filter. This is the maintenance #1. The reason for it is because the blower is next. With a dirty filter, the blower works harder. Or if the filter's not in place like this one appears to be over years, is you also get a very dirty blower motor, which creates heat, which creates high amp draw, which makes your electric bill much higher than it was before, and the efficiency dropping in your system altogether. Above that, we said we've got the A coil. Here's the upside flow of the A coil. The bottom side is this bottom part right here. And I think you can see, hopefully, that this is that same dirtiness. Probably had the same filter system that blower motor had. Not very good at all. Not very much in place. And again, can't release the heat if the airflow can't pass through it. And from there we go to the outdoor unit, which is also a coil. This particular one, again, is very dirty. It's probably from outdoor, either construction or just being outside. The airflow goes this way and up. So when you look inside here, it looks nice and clean, but that's not the direction of the airflow. The airflow is this direction and up. I'm not expecting you guys to tear apart your air conditioner, fix it. You can call us here at Rock Solid and we'll take care of the stuff that you don't want to, make sure everything's up and running efficiently. And if your filter has been replaced on a regular basis, here's your coil here, and it should be nice and shiny. So if you had a April Air brand filter, media filter, or box style filter like this one, most likely your coil will look just like this, and your blower motor will look brand new as well. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding how your AC system works and the importance of having it clean and to run efficiently. Again, you can call us here at Rock Solid. Have a great day.